Hi everyone. So my name is Sakshat and I'm going to give you the demo for Servo AI, which is a LLM chatbot in which we can basically chat through the links. If you enter a link for a website, you could chat with the content of the website. So for this project, I have hosted this on AWS and I'm right now configuring the DNS for this, but still I have created the hosting zone for this. I'll just show you it. I have one hosted zone over here by the name of Servo AI. For this, I have the domain name servoair.com. Once the DNS configuration is done, you would be easily able to access the chatbot using servoair.com. So for right now, let's go on to the EC2 instance, which like a virtual server on cloud. So I'll go to on the instances and just select this and click on the connect button. And then we'll just click on the connect button. After this, we should have onto this terminal, and I'll just enter the ls command, which should show up my all the files, and let's change the directory to servoair.com and run the project. So it is, let's go on to the external URL and it should open up the chatbot. So this is our Streamlit website, which is a chatbot, which we can chat through the legs. Let's go on to a website, like I'll go to the voice flow and let's go on to the pricing. So I'll just copy this up, click on enter. It should start analyzing the link and yep, let's just enter the prompt over here. Let's ask for the pricing and features of the Pro account. Pricing and features of the Pro account. Hit enter. Yep, so it shows up the Voice Flow Pro account. It has all the features listed up here. It says we can start 14-day free trial and then the price for this is $50. If we want to go a bit specific, or like let's ask a specific question, right? Let let ask yeah, let's ask, do they provide student discounts? Let's ask corporate discount. That's totally a different question, right? Do they have corporate discounts? Let's just see if it can answer this question. Yep. So it does not currently offer individual student discount forever. Shows this, right? The information which it got from the website. And let's ask it a bit tricky question. Which is the cheapest plan available? Because it's not there on the website. It doesn't say anything about the cheapest plan available, right? It should analyze it itself and should generate the cheapest plan, suggest the cheapest plan to us. So it shows up the cheapest plan is sandbox plan, which is get started, right? So it shows up everything. My main reason for building this project would be I wanted to always, because I was using ChatGPT for a while, and I had this project in a communication. I had a communication subject in which we had to basically we had given a website which had a data of 2023, the latest one, and we have to analyze the we have to read go through the whole website and we have to answer specific question. Also at the end we need to provide a summary. So it was really a tough task for me because I was also working on some other programming projects at that point of time. So I thought if there was kind of a website, we could easily chat with the links. And from there, I got the idea of chatting through websites. And then I learned about SQL, how about chatting with the SQL databases too. So for my future plans for this website or for this project is on the left-hand side, you see a navigation panel. So for what I'm going to do is we have website URL right now. I'm going to add on the PDF chat with PDF. So we would have upload a PDF and then you could easily chat with it. We could have chat with SQL database. You could chat with it. chat with Excel file, you could easily chat with it. But at a time, you could only chat with one of those things, right? So, or you can chat with all of those at once. You just do all that and generate ask specific questions based on those. So, yep, my motivation was to have a kind of chatbot which could work on the latest data. Since ChatGPT or Gemini, or I'm not sure about Gemini, but ChatGPT is only trained up to 2021. So it wasn't able to generate the data beyond 2021. If we go on to Gemini or the Copilot 2, we aren't able to chat with a specific link or we chat with a specific website. So I always had this idea in my mind to build something where I could chat with a specific thing to get the information only around that specific part, right? So I got this idea from over there. So I thought of building this. I searched over YouTube and I searched over Google, got some good tutorials, learned a lot of new things, and then I built this chatbot. So this was my website or my LLM chatbot. For this, the technology used were Python. I used Streamlit UI for the interface that you were saying. I used OpenAI services. I used the OpenAI API key. I used at the same time, I posted the website on AWS, which I showed in the beginning. But the main thing was RAG method, which is retrieval augment generation. So for this particular project, we start by the website scrapping. So you just get the text from the website. Then we split the text on different documents and in kind of a different, like a different document. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we use is we use the vectorization. So we store the vectorized text in a vector database. So every time you ask a question to the LLM, so it would go over to the database, the vector database, and then it would rank the best result. So according to the like what like a LLM would see, it would rank it. This is the best one, this is the second, and this is the third. And then it would give you the best response. Like what according to it will be more relevant would be shown to you. So it works on the RAG method, and it's really a good method for building up the LLMs and the chatbots. So this was the technology used. Basically, main focus was on RAG method, and this is all about my demo. I'll be uploading this on YouTube, and I'll having my GitHub link. So if you have any doubts or questions, just send me an email. I have my email on the GitHub and we could have a good discussion. Or if you have any suggestions for me, I'm open to that too. Thank you for watching this demo. Thank you. Goodbye.